Hey there, YouTube!
Hi.
Today, I'm going to show you how to create those awesome magazine-style letters in CapCut on your PC. It's super easy, so let's dive right into it.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone?
First things first, we need to find those magazine-style letters. Open up your web browser and let's head over to Google. In the search bar, type magazine letters PNG and hit enter. You can also find a link to the website I'm using in the video description below. Browse through the results and download the letters that catch your eye. Now, I know some people might try to sell you these letters, but don't fall for that trap. You can get them for free. Once you've got your letters, it's time to import them into CapCut. Open up CapCut and create a new project. Import your downloaded letters and arrange them the way you prefer. You can make some letters smaller and others bigger. It's all about your style. Now here's the trick to that magazine-like animation. Once you arranged all your letters, we have to add dynamic effect called rebound swing to each letter. Adjust its strength, size, and speed randomly for an eye-catching result. Once we've customized our letters, we can create a compound clip. Simply select all the letters, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip. Select first few frames and delete them. Important step is to add filter called Doodle Diary, which will make this low FPS lagging look. Make sure you put filter and sticker on 0 and adjust the speed and texture to your preference. We can enhance our design with various filters. While I personally prefer Noise 2 and Hazy for a unique look, feel free to experiment and select different filters to suit your style. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, so please leave a like, subscribe, and enjoy.